how to make and create newsletter on Canva PC in less than 1 minute. Hello guys, so all what you have to do is so simple and easy. Go to canva.com, log into your account, click on create a design and search for newsletter. Click on the first option, it will take you to this page. Now right here you will find many newsletter templates. Choose the one that you want, for example this one. Click on it and you can change the text, the pictures as you can see, and you can change also the text as I said. Now after you finish editing your newsletter, from here click on the share here in the top corner and click download. You have many templates as you can see, school, newsletter and many other options. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching. See you later.